Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Today we're gonna open the Christmas. What time is it now? Yeah, so actually today I went to work like 4 hours, so it's not that bad. He really wanna open the Christmas, so I'm gonna let him open first. Are you ready? Are you ready?
No, you have to go first.
Oh.
Here, this one, you need this one first.
Okay, so guys, I have a Christmas right here, which is not fair. I made this for Jeffrey, and this is like a fireplace because we don't have a fireplace, so I just made one. And I put, you know, some Christmas thing here and back of Jeffrey over there. Can you move a little bit? Yeah, because we don't have a Christmas tree, and so I made one. And he got like an ornament, like Christmas ornaments from his sister, so I just like put in there. See, who's better in Christmas? So yeah, he just put my gift, you know, a random things. It's from who? It's from Flex? No.
From me.
From him. Oh, how many I got? You got me 7?
Yes,
okay.
1 for Flex.
Oh, so he got me
7 from me, 1 from Flex.
So I'm gonna open this one first. This is exactly the same wrapping paper as last year. There we go. What is this? Let's see. Aww. So this is Secret Treasure sleepwear. Basically, it's like ชุดนอนนะคะอันนี้คือชุดนอน What kind of the texture is this?
Very soft, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very soft. You should take this off.
No, I left it on in case you want to return it. I took the price off.
นี่ก็เป็นชุดนอนนะคะเป็นชุดนอนเป็นแบบว่าเสื้อกางเกงแล้วก็ผ้าทำจากอะไรก็ไม่รู้แต่ว่ามันนิ่มมากเลย Last one. Are you gonna open or let me finish this first?
Now you have to open the one from Flex.
Alright, which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one is from Flex.
Yeah, he's very sensitive to you and he knows that he makes you upset. So he got you that.
Aww, he makes
like, you know, it'll make sense in a second.
Up himself?
Yeah,
okay.
That's why it's like that.
Just in case you guys don't know, Flex is my dog. Flex! Flex! Aww. What's called blanket?
Yeah. It's like a fleece.
It's like a fleece, guys. Oh, this is cute.
Flex got that because he knows that Jam really likes one blanket, and then Flex took that blanket and brought it outside one day.
Yeah, whatever I like, he really likes it.
Puppy, right?
Thank you, Flex. Okay, so you want to open one? Go ahead. Which one you want to go first?
You tell me which one I should open first.
Okay, I'm telling you.
You have to do like a psychological profile.
The one that you sent me links. I wasn't able to get it, so I'll get something else. You can open one of this first.
Oh,
Shoes.
3.
It's the same. I know.
Surprisingly very
Star
good
Wars. What?
Yeah, the Star Wars.
Star Wars.
Wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper,
It's
yeah.
pretty awesome, yeah. You did a really good job.
It's Sephora. It's maybe your skincare. Put you on the subscribe, like, you know, Sephora Play Balls.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
I can't wait to buy some makeup.
We should have like a scissors. Let's get you a scissors.
Yeah,
Show them.
That's a good one. It's a Star Wars shirt. Which
I don't even know what it is until like I read like right here it says Star Wars.
It's the rebel symbol.
Whatever, what it stands for.
Or the New Republic.
Rebel symbol.
Yeah.
He's really obsessed with the Star Wars shirt. All his t-shirts are Star Wars. So I just added one of those to his collection.
Oh, where did you get these? I haven't seen these anywhere.
Try so hard.
Where did you get that?
See
That's a new print.
Oh, it is?
I haven't seen that one. Yeah, well, it's for the new
Okay,
movie.
Whatever.
It's a print for the new movie. Oh my God.
Alright, my turn. My turn, my turn, my turn.
Do your two big ones.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, this is too big one. It's really heavy, guys. So get excited. Oh, I know this. You said you returned it already.
I lied.
This is what I'm asking for, which is Samsung Galaxy Tab A with S Pen. I don't care what model it is. I just want an S Pen. So let's open it. Use it. How you handle situation hand like this, so it's not like, you know, hurt me. Whatever. Oh, you got me a white here. Well, I know. Okay, I don't want to like open it right now, but basically it's like a tablet S Pen. This is like 10 point. What is 10.1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10.1, and they came with S Pen. So, it's a gift I'm asking for. Thank you. Alright, the other one. Another Galaxy Tab?
Yeah, I got you two.
Oh, okay. Oh, the stylus keyboard. And okay, this is a case. As you can see,
Starry Night print. Starry Night print.
yeah. It's compatible with my Samsung Galaxy Tab. Okay, so this is a case, and then he got me the wireless keyboard too.
Yeah.
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
This case is kind of heavy.
I know.
Should I open now?
I
still have one of these boxes.
Okay, can I open this one or maybe that one?
This one?
Yes.
Okay, I'll open this one first. I like this one too.
Another one. There we go.
Oh, I don't know where the heck you got these. Did you put a flag staff or something?
No. Okay, so this is kind of colorful.
Okay. This one's a little heavy. There's something shaking in there.
Yesterday I was at the Staples. And I was like, hey, can I be a member? And he was like, yeah, why not? And he was like, okay, tell me your...
Ryzen 5 1600. It's the computer, like it's the computer processor. So it's a very good one, and it's exactly what I asked for. Thank you very much, Grab. I love you.
You're welcome.
Okay, let me think what should be a good one for you now.
He enjoy like making computer from scratch, so instead of like buying new, so like whole new computer, which is like quick, you rather like order parts and you know. Oh, this one first is thinner. What is this for? This is PNY 64 GB gigabyte. It's a card.
Memory card. For your.
For my camera.
For your tablet.
Oh.
Oh.
That makes sense. The next one. Aww. It's chocolate. So it's classic one. So I got like 12 and it's all mine. Open the biggest one.
Okay.
And then maybe this one.
Okay.
Oh no. This one and this one. This one last.
This one last?
Yeah. I put you on the list of 18 subscriptions.
Subscriber bag.
Yay! Show them what you got for item of the month.
There you go. Oh, you just fucking with me. It is
okay,
computer,
I have no idea what it is.
Computer memory. It's specifically a type that works with the Ryzen build. She's been torturing me. She's been saying for like over a week, like, hey, I don't know if the stuff you asked for, because the only things I asked for were these two things, and she's been saying like something didn't come for like more than 1 week. So I kind of thought, you know, maybe she's just playing a game with me. What's this?
I don't remember actually.
Actually.
No, I don't remember what I did.
You have such a bad memory.
I remember what it is. I think it's there you go.
Ooh.
I don't want to buy anything. You just keep it or something like that. I don't know why something like practical.
I like it. Okay, so.
My last one.
Last
okay,
one.
One. Just one.
Just
oh no,
one?
you have just only one left, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I open.
You open this one first. This little one first.
Another one?
Oh.
Seriously, guys, he ordered me like 2 SD card, whatever.
Oh.
What's the point?
I wonder if there's something else.
Why?
I wonder if there's something else that's gonna need an SD card. Maybe what's in there is gonna need an SD
oh my God.
card.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe we'll find out. Like I don't really, you know, I don't remember what's in there.
Aww. This is Akaso Ultra HD camera, action camera EK 7000. So basically it's just like an action camera, guys, because we're gonna go to trip to Thailand, and last year I got him this one too, but different colors, right?
It was just a different model, but I think it's the same. So I hope the batteries are compatible, because I still have the batteries. Okay. But let me tell you, I had an unfortunate accident.
Yeah.
I had the action camera that I got last year on top of my drone, and I was flying it around a park, and I smashed it into the soccer or football goal post. And even though it was in the case, it smashed right through the outside case and it shattered the lens. So, but this one is just for Jam, because I'm sure she'll take a lot better care of it than I took care of the one she got for me.
Instead of just like, you know, dropping on the ground, but he dropping from like the sky.
Really fast, and I tried to fly up, but it didn't go up, and it just flew right into the goalpost.
Oh, thank you.
Actually, okay, let's see what we have
Okay,
here.
the last one.
This is gonna be a surprise.
Another Sephora. Come back.
It's a Star Wars sweatshirt. It's perfect.
Do you have this one yet?
No.
Leaf inside. She's like, oh, it's Star Wars. Well, that's perfect. Like, secret. There you go. You look like a serial killer now. Hey guys, this is our Christmas. Oh, you're not. Okay, keep the card with you.
Okay. Do I need to open it?
No,
No, you don't.
Yeah.
You don't want to be embarrassed by what you wrote in there.
Have a happy Christmas. Bye. I love you. Mwah.